Today we are setting up and installing a Macros driveway alarm system. It is a solar alarm. It looks like this on the top, and so far so good. Gonna go put these outside so we have any alerts to any two-legged unwanted predators or visitors to the farm. This does not come with an AC adapter. It just comes with a USB cable, so you got to get the 5-volt adapter for it, or use one you already have in the house like I'm doing right now until you can get a dedicated one. But yeah, this part doesn't have a battery on it, so that's a little bit annoying, but it's got 4 different channels for 4 different sensors, and each one has its own independent ring, which I'm trying to figure out if I can change right now and select which rings I want. So there are 2 current rings on each of these, which Shu is happy to demonstrate for us right now. Thank you, Shu. And yeah, you can set them to whichever channel you want. There's a little flap here that opens up, and you can set them to channels 1 through 4. And you can set the sensitivity to low or high. And that one makes that sound, and that one makes that sound right now. And I'm gonna go set these up outside so they can actually be put into service and start alerting me to whenever somebody's creeping around the place. Hey everybody, managed to get this on here, sorta kinda, but the problem I'm having is these screws here are really shallow, and even though I've got some high quality screwdriver going on, the screws are not really great for going through wood, so that's my first complaint, but we've got one mounted. Second detector mounted. Success. Well, hopefully now we've got a little more peace of mind. Shout out to Hippie Chick Maine for doing a security video and suggesting this type of system. At least it's something to start with. Motion activated security cameras with lights and shit would be even better, but soon we'll be adding things, I'm sure. But do your own research, read the reviews before getting these, because they're all cheap crap nowadays that's got planned obsolescence because they want everything to break in 2 years, so you have to buy a new one, which is complete frickin' bullshit. Thanks, capitalism. So yeah, do your due diligence when deciding which of these systems to buy, and yeah.